Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts and pet lovers. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and practical project, building your own wooden cat and dog houses. So, let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, gather your materials. You'll need some plywood, a saw, nails, and a hammer. Measure and cut the plywood into the desired sizes for your pet's house. Make sure to leave enough space for your furry friend to comfortably move around and sleep. Next, use the saw to create the roof and floor pieces. Nail these together to create the basic structure of your pet's house. You can customize the design to suit your pet's personality and style. Now, it's time to add some finishing touches. Paint or stain the house to give it a personal touch. You can even add a little door or window for extra charm. And there you have it. A cozy and durable wooden house for your cat or dog. This project is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts and pet lovers alike. So, why not give it a try? Thank you for joining me in this fun and practical DIY project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content. Happy crafting!